Ooh, sheep. What does the sheep say? Ba, very good. And the sheep's friend is the goat. What does the goat say? Meh, very good. And is the goat friends with the cow? What does the cow say? Moo, very good. How about the horsey? Neigh, neigh, very good. What does the kitty cat say? Meow, meow. And what does the doggy say? Woof, woof, very good. Yes, that's a cow. The cows say moo. Good girl. Anya, what does the chicken say? Bok, bok, very good. Anya, what does this animal say? Right here, the one Daddy has. Neigh, neigh is a horsey. And what about this one? What is that? Is that a cow? This one, what's the cow say? Moo, very good. And what about this animal? Ba, says the sheep. Good girl. And how about this one? That's the chicken. Bok, bok, very good. Bye bye, baby. Where's the baby? Under there. Can you get the baby? Can you get it? Good girl. You got the baby. Very good. Anya, I love you. Can you say I love you? Oh, good girl. Give Daddy a hug. Very good.